If you want to quickly enhance your photos in Lightroom Mobile, this video will walk you through the fastest way to improve image quality using both the Auto Enhance button and a simple manual editing workflow. By the end, you'll know how to make your photos look brighter, cleaner, sharper, and more professional in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and import the photo you want to improve. Once your image is loaded, go to the Actions panel and tap the Auto or Enhance button. This gives you an AI-powered starting point by analyzing the photo and applying quick adjustments for a better overall look. It's a great first step because it saves time and instantly improves the base image before you make any manual changes. After the auto adjustment, the next step is to fine-tune the image manually. Start in the Light panel. Here, you want to make the photo look balanced and natural. Adjust exposure first if the image is too dark or too bright. Then, increase contrast slightly, usually around +10 to +20, to give the image more depth. Next, reduce highlights somewhere around -30 to -60 to recover bright areas and bring back detail. After that, raise shadows from +30 to +60 to reveal detail in darker areas. You can also add a slight boost to whites for a cleaner, bright look, and reduce blacks a little to add richness and definition. Once the lighting looks right, move to the Color panel. This is where you control the overall tone and mood of the photo. Use temperature to fix whether the image looks too warm or too cool. Then increase vibrance between +20 and +40 to make the colors pop without making them look unnatural. If needed, add a small saturation boost, around +5 to +15, but be careful not to overdo it. The goal is to make the image feel vibrant while still keeping it realistic. Now open the Effects section. Here you can add more texture and clarity to make the photo look sharper and more detailed. Increase texture by around +10 to improve fine detail. Then raise clarity by +10 to +20 to give the image a little more punch and definition. If your photo looks hazy or washed out, add Dehaze between +5 and +15 to improve contrast and visibility. These small changes can make a huge difference in how polished the final image looks. After that, go to the Detail panel. This is where you sharpen the image and reduce any unwanted grain or noise. Increase sharpening to around +20 to make the photo look crisper. If the image is noisy, especially in low light, apply noise reduction between +10 and +30. This helps smooth out the photo and gives it a cleaner finish. Just remember, the key is balance. You want the image to look enhanced, not over-edited. A good workflow is to start with Auto Enhance, then adjust Light, then Color, then Effects, and finally Detail. That way you build the edit step by step and keep full control over the final result. If you want a quick before and after difference, even these small edits can dramatically improve your image quality. And that's how to enhance an image in Lightroom Mobile the easy way. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.